Here's how I make $4,037 a month creating digital products without constantly hustling. If you've been told that you need to be a tech wizard or spend countless hours on product creation, I'm here to show you a better, lazier way using AI. I'm going to break down exactly what I sell, where I sell it, and how you can start making passive income with minimal effort. So let's dive into it. This video is brought to you by Designer.io, but more of them later. To make money from digital products, you're going to need traffic, also known as a following. You're going to want to move that following to an email list because this is something that you own and control. An email list convert 40 times higher for sales than social media alone. From there, you'll need emails to be able to email your list and send them to your digital product checkout page. You'll need a checkout page, your actual digital product offer, and the actual digital product to deliver to the buyers. Now, this might sound overwhelming. It might sound like a lot, but we're going to go over in this video how you can use AI to create and sell your own digital products for consistent passive income. And really quick, before we dive in, I just want to let you know that I have a bunch of freebies in the description below this video. Like there's a free list of 98 plus different types of digital products so that you can look them over and decide which one is best for you. And I also have a free on-demand workshop called Launch a Digital Product in 30 Minutes. That's going to help you workshop through your niche, your digital product idea, how to build your following, and all of that fun stuff. I just want to make sure that you know all of these tools are listed in the description below this video for free because I want to make sure that you're not just watching this video, but actually downloading one or more of these freebies and taking action. So the first thing you're going to need in order to start selling digital products is you're going to need traffic, which means you're going to need a following. You're going to need potential customers to actually sell to. And I don't recommend skipping this step and going somewhere like Etsy or Amazon. Yeah, I know what you've heard, but trust me, the grass is not greener over there. It's gonna seem like, oh, I just put my product online and it sells. That's not how it works. They make money off you paying for ads. They're also gonna make money off your listing fees, and there's a ton of competition, and it's really hard to stand out. So I don't recommend selling on places like Etsy or Amazon. What I do recommend is growing your own following because this is yours. You're going to be able to move those followers to email subscribers, and email marketing is something you actually own. Nobody can take that email list away from you, and that's huge when building your business because you're not building on someone else's platform and relying on someone else's business for your business, right? Now, I totally understand that growing your own following can feel overwhelming, and I'm here to tell you that I've done this over and over for multiple businesses on different platforms. I've grown a following on Instagram, I've grown a following on Facebook, I've grown a following on YouTube. And it's not because I was born with a following or I was born with some knowledge that you weren't born with. I mean, I wish, but it's not. It's simply because I decided to grow a following. And you can do this too. And today, so I highly recommend that you choose YouTube. YouTube is my sole focus. I post videos here at least 2 times a week, and I'm growing between 2,000 and 4,000 email subscribers every single month directly from my YouTube channel. Like, YouTube is so great for growing your email list and your sales. I just really cannot recommend it enough. Now, in order to grow, you're gonna need to choose a niche, which is basically the topic around your channel, and stick within that topic because then you're going to be attracting the right people to your channel. You want to make sure that that topic carries from your YouTube channel to your freebie to build your email list to the product that you're going to sell. You want to make sure that these are all aligned. And you don't want to have a YouTube channel about vlogging, about hair or makeup, then a freebie about what clothing to wear, then a digital product about what are the best luxury cars. Like, this is absolutely insane and crazy. It needs to be all in the same room. My freebies are all about how to make money online with digital products. My membership is about how to make money online with digital products. To grow your YouTube channel, you're going to want to post at least one YouTube video every single week around your topic or your niche of your choice. And by the way, if you want my free YouTube script templates that you can script your videos and grow your own channel, Remember that this is for free in the description below this video. Now, something you can use AI for to help you grow your channel even faster is the scripting process. You can download my free YouTube script template. You can put it into ChatGPT and you can say, this is the title or topic. Could you please fill out this script template for me? And then what you can do is use that as a draft and you can go back through and tweak it as you would like. And boom, you're going to have a YouTube video scripted and ready to record. And speaking of AI, what if I told you that you could create a beautiful professional ebook in minutes, even if you have zero design experience? Well, that's exactly what Designer.io does. It uses AI to help you create stunning ebooks from existing content or even from scratch in just a few clicks. Here's how ridiculously easy it is, especially for you YouTube creators. Let's say you've got a fantastic YouTube video with a script that's packed with valuable information. Instead of letting that knowledge live only on video, you can turn it into a high-value ebook in minutes with Designer.io. All you got to do is go to designer.io. The link is in the description of this video and the first pinned comment below this video as well. What you're going to do is import your content directly from your YouTube video or script, because designer.io has a feature that lets you pull in text from existing sources. So if you've got a YouTube video, you can grab the transcript, or if you have the script written out, you can just paste it in. Designer.io would then automatically format your content into a professional ebook layout. I mean, like, seriously, it's mind-blowing how fast it does this. From there, you can easily customize the look and feel with their drag and drop editor. You can add images from your video, change fonts, colors, and make it totally your own. Finally, when you're done, you can export your polished ebook as a PDF, a Kindle file, or even an interactive flipbook. And that's it. You've transformed your video content into a brand new, sellable digital product in a fraction of the time it would take to design it from scratch. This is how you leverage your existing efforts for maximum passive income. Now, the next thing you're going to need is a freebie and a freebie funnel so you can move your YouTube followers to email subscribers.